Have you ever wondered what it takes to be the kind of man every woman desires? Finding genuine connection and attraction can feel like navigating a maze without a map. It leaves you frustrated and confused. That said, you must understand the qualities that truly matter in transforming how you are perceived and how you connect. By the end of this video, you will learn the key traits that make you the kind of man every woman wants. Number 12. Just be you. Being anyone but your true self is a straight-up disaster. Pretending to be someone you are not is a one-way ticket to looking like a complete joke. A lot of guys think they need to put on a show to keep a woman interested. Wrong move. What you really need to do is embrace who you are. There is nothing more magnetic than a dude who is fully confident in his own skin. If you are trying to morph into someone else to snag attention, forget about it. The right lady will dig you for the real deal, quirks and all. Women have a sixth sense for sniffing out the genuine from the fake. So when you are 100% unapologetically you, that is when you truly shine. Remember, authenticity is what you need. Number 11, stand up and own it. Being a man means stepping up to the plate. Own your actions, decisions, and yeah, even your mess-ups. Thinking of running away from your own shit and playing the blame game? That is kid stuff. A real woman notices a man who faces the music, not one who ducks and covers. It is about grabbing life by the horns and being the master of your fate. Handling your business without dumping it on someone else's lap is what you should do. Be the rock, the steady hand, the guy she knows will always have her back. Dependability is sexy. It shows you are not just there for the good times, but you are a fortress when the storm hits. That is the kind of man a woman wants by her side. Number 10, lead, don't follow. Chasing a woman's approval or waiting for her to make all the moves screams one thing: weakness. Don't be that dude who is lost without a leader. Step into those shoes and guide the way. You don't need to wait for a nod or a sign to make your move. Be decisive, be bold. Women are drawn to men who know their mind and aren't afraid to stand their ground. It is not about being domineering, but about showing you are comfortable taking the reins when it counts. This confidence is irresistible. This shows that you are confident enough to lead the way and with assurance in a world full of uncertainty. Number 9, keep your power. Don't just hand over your power like it is a gift she is waiting for. Thinking of winning her heart by showing you are willing to give up your strength? Bad idea. Women have a knack for respecting men who stand firm in their own worth and who balance their power with grace. They are drawn to guys who command respect, not those who lay down their arms at the first flutter of affection. You must maintain your self-respect and autonomy. Show her that you are a pillar of strength, someone who can manage his own power with confidence. Number 8, be emotionally intelligent, not emotional. There is a huge difference between being emotionally intelligent and being a walking soap opera. Sure, women dig a guy who is in tune with his feelings, but not someone who is spilling them everywhere all the time. Cut out the drama and the constant need for the spotlight. Being sensitive means you are aware of your emotions and can express them in a controlled, mature way. Sure, that is absolutely fine. It is about having the courage to be vulnerable without letting that vulnerability take over. Be the man who can talk about his feelings without turning every conversation into an episode of a drama series. That is the kind of strength that truly attracts. Number 7, be present and accounted for. You have seen it. Those couples who might as well be in different worlds while sitting at the same table. Don't be that dude. Just showing up isn't enough. Women are looking for a man who is fully there, mind, body, and soul. They look forward to a deep emotional connection, a partner who is genuinely engaged in the moment with them. This means you shouldn't just nod to everything she says, but actively listen, participate in the conversation, and show that you value the time spent together. When you give her your full attention, you are building an intimate connection, a bond that is both rare and precious. So the next time you are together, make a conscious effort to leave the world outside and focus on her. It is this level of presence that can turn a simple meeting into a moment of deep connection. Number 6, try new adventures together. Stuck in a rut, doing the same old thing? Time to shake things up. Sure, we all have our go-to favorites, but life is about variety. It is easy to fall into a pattern where you are doing your thing and she is doing hers. But where's the fun in that? Step into her world, try out what she loves, and invite her into yours. No, This doesn't mean you will lose your identity, but it will expand your horizons. Boredom is a relationship killer. So next Sunday, instead of splitting up for the day, why not try something new together? Explore new activities that can bring you closer. Don't let stubbornness or fear of the unknown hold you back. Be the guy who is up for anything and watch your relationship thrive. Number 5, work on your best features. You can't change your height or magically regrow your hair overnight. But attraction isn't about fitting some cookie-cutter ideal. It is about playing up what you have got. Got expressive eyes? Use them to communicate, to show depth. Working on your physique? Focus on areas like your shoulders and back to boost your presence. And your hair, whether it is on your face or your head, work with what you have to reflect your style and personality. Make sure to groom and take care of yourself. This will show her you value yourself enough to put in the effort. That is what truly attracts. Number 4, handle disagreements like a pro. Arguments happen, but it is how you deal with them that counts. Think a small spat is no big deal? Wrong. Little disagreements pile up and turn into a mountain of resentment. You have been there. A minor argument blows up because it brings up a whole history of unresolved issues. The real problem is not dealing with conflicts the right way from the start. Next time you are at odds, remember it is not about scoring points. Really listen to what she is saying. Drop the ego, forget about winning, and focus on resolving the issue for the sake of your relationship. Number 3, embrace change, grow together. Change and growth are part of life, and that includes your relationship too. If you stick to old habits and think you know everything, you are heading for trouble. Life will always bring new challenges for you and your partner. The key isn't to argue about who is right, but to face these challenges together and learn from them. It is not just about doing chores or remembering important dates. You both must understand each other's needs and be willing to change as you both grow. Show her you are committed to adapting and growing together. This makes you the kind of guy she wants to be with forever. Number 2, create unique memories. Don't shower her with pricey gifts or flashy bling. Sure, those have their moments, but what really gets her is the experience, the adventure. Make unforgettable memories together, the kind that sticks. You are aiming to be that guy she thinks about because of the unique experiences you shared, not the guy who just flashed his cash. Take her on a spontaneous night out under the stars, or find that hidden gem of a coffee shop. It is these moments that build a deep, lasting connection. Remember, it is not about how much you spend, but how well you spend your time together. Be the man who brings adventure and excitement into her life, and watch how your bond strengthens. Number 1, prioritize stability over flash. Money matters, but not in the way you think. You don't have to flaunt your wealth or make it rain. Women are drawn to stability, to the assurance that you can handle your finances with maturity and foresight. You must live within your means, plan for the future, and be prepared for the unexpected. Flashy buys might catch someone's eye, but stability catches the heart. Show her you are the kind of man who can provide a secure, reliable foundation, and that is worth more than any luxury item. It is not the size of your wallet that matters, but how you manage what is in it. Conclusion: to be the kind of man every woman wants is not about looking good or having cool stuff. You need to be real, grow together, and truly connect. Remember to keep learning, stay open, and always aim to be better. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.